welcome back. Today is the day that my new toolbox arrives. 56 inch, yeah. So I've just had a phone call saying it's on its way very soon. So what I've done is I've had a bit of a tidy up in the garage. I'll just give you a quick spin round and show you that. And then, yeah, it's toolbox time. Tidied that corner up, slid my welder in there, which gives me a bit more space. Still got all this crap out my Halfords toolbox, which if you're new to the channel, I'll leave that in the description, or it'll pop up at end if you're interested in looking at that one. In fact, I'll just flash up a little photo now showing you what I had in this space before. This one, I've cleaned it out, this one's getting sold as well. So everything in that box there is out of the toolbox as well. So I'm not going to bore you to death, make you watch me unbox it on a time lapse. So yeah, look at that beauty. Look at it, bloody massive. That's a right beast. Now, I did have to assemble the wheels, not incredibly difficult. As you can see, fits just in between them two pillars, which I believe they are 58 inches. So that's why I opted for this 56 inch, and it just fits in there nicely. Right, let's have a quick look at it then. It has got a little bit of a wobble on it at the minute. I should imagine that'll be better when it's got a bit more weight in. Key for top box. So look what these look like. Just normal sort of style key. I don't know if you can see them. So I'll just try these. See how well they work. Yeah, there's no pulling them off. Now, unlike the Halfords one, this isn't soft close, but the runners feel really solid, nice and smooth. Build quality, it's, don't look too bad. You can see odd spot weld, which might have been done with Stevie Wonder, but you know, it's not like you're buying a snap-on toolbox here. So these are relatively shallow. These bottom two are a decent depth. Now they have all got draw liners on them. I'll bring you in and let you have a closer look in a minute. They do seem to stay fairly well shut. I'm gonna have to have a look, see if I can stop that rattle though. Probably the bar that goes down back that unlocks all drawers, unlocks them all. This is a right size drawer. It's definitely gonna fit a lot more stuff in this one. In fact, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all my stuff in it if you remember my other one, well, my other two, they were both absolutely jam-packed. So I'll get all my stuff put in it now, and then I'll let you have a good look around it. Oh yeah, we've also got plug. There's 2 plug sockets inside this this top here, and there's 2 USB chargers in there as well. So that's fairly nice. Does look a bit ripply in some places, but overall it's nice heavy duty handles on this top box. It is fairly heavy, took 2 of us to lift that up here. So yeah, I'll get it filled up, take you for a spin round it, and see how it all fits in. Right, filled it up. It's still plenty of space. I've just tried filling it up as much as I can. Obviously, if I organise it a bit better, then but it's taken everything that I've got pretty much, apart from odd little bits. So as you can see, there's still plenty of space on top. There is your plug sockets. You've got 2 and then 2 USB chargers built in, which is quite nice. Power cable comes out at the side. These are your handles for your top box, fairly heavy duty. You can put an handle, there is an handle, but obviously I can't fit it on, I haven't got enough space. So all I've done is the screws that they provided for it, I've just put 2 in there, 2 in this side as well, so you can put it on either side. Wheels, you've got your locking casters, kind of a bit like alloy wheels. I'll just show you around there. So far, I think the quality seems to be pretty good for price. Empty drawer. I think you have to like make sure it clicks in when you close them. And I've got my random quick grab drawer, a few like of them pliers, forgot what you called them then, but yeah, a set of ratchet spanners. That's just a set I've had it for ages. It's a mix between flexi and just your normal. Pretty good spanners actually, them. I've had them quite a long time. And as we move down, got the new Halfords trays. It does fit 4 in, but as you can see there's still a bit of space, so I can actually put something else in there if I wanted to. As for the back, I'll just try sliding that right up. There's not a great deal of space that way, but they do fit in there nicely. Now the old style plastic trays, they don't fit in these drawers. They're not deep enough, but these foam trays seem to fit in it alright. So we've got a deeper drawer here, so I've got my hard plastic ones in that. Like I said, runners seem to be really nice. Yeah, it's not too bad. Another empty drawer. I think what I might do is keep a stash of chocolate in that one or something. Getting a little bit peckish out on when I'm in garage. This is just random crap. Fuel couplings, bit of stuff for compressor, and just some like that's another handle. Like, well, no, actually it's a different one to that. But some gas struts. They're what I used for when I made that. Just some random little bits in there. What I'm planning on doing is getting some of that shadow foam, and you know, you can cut it out and cut all your tools out of it and everything. Makes a nice job. Right, so here I've got, obviously you can see it's me marking drawer and a couple of measuring stuff, you know, for doing a few technical drawings and that. This is my file and cutting, so like chisels, that's a nozzle for my burner so I can turn it into an heater. These, just a little metal wedge, comes in very useful having one of them. I'm surprised at how many times I have to use that. And yeah, just some bits like Stanley knife and that. Tell you something, it's getting bloody cold now. My hands are freezing. Right, this massive drawer, quite deep. Got all my cutting discs and grinding discs and what have you. Now, I didn't used to keep these in toolbox because I couldn't fit them. I had no space in the other ones. And then some filler and stuff, loads of tape, sandpapers, and just a bit of bodywork stuff, you know, and cleaning, cutting, grinding, that's all that. These were for when I did clean some valve seats up on my car. And then as we move down, we'll go on this big drawer. Got all sockets and some extra ones that I had. This is a US Pro, and to be honest, I quite like it. I think some of the US Pro stuff is pretty good, to be honest with you. It's if I'm doing all, I tend to grab this instead of my Halfords one. To be honest, I do like this ratchet. Then we've got some of these sockets that are them funny ones that grip on centre nut rather than on corners. So if you've got a rounded bolt or something, chances are you'll be able to get it out with one of them. They're very handy, them sort of things. I was thinking about getting another set. Yeah, but maybe some a bit smaller. But yeah, that's all them. They, I mean, if you remember, my other one, the drawers were only the actual toolbox itself could only fit 3 in one drawer. You know, it's a fair beast compared to the other one, to be honest with you. Quite impressed with it so far. It's impacts and some extensions. And we'll move down again. I've got all my spanners, so just your normal combination, ratchet, flex ratchet, adjustables, and they're offset spanners. Now that's the only set I haven't got of the Halfords tray sets, because I already had a set. These at US Pro again, and these are quite nice. I do quite like them. They seem really nice quality. But yeah, carry on. Another bit of a random draw, and just started chucking stuff in. I'm getting a bit bored now. I'll have to sort it out another day properly. But like I say, I'm wanting to get some of that shadow foam, that peelable foam stuff. A couple of hammers, air ratchet, torque wrench, few miscellaneous sockets, you know, some fairly big ones there that are not in Halfords sets. Bit of a Tommy bar, breaker bar, and then in here got two nail guns, an heat gun, blower, some number and letter stamps. That is the handle what comes with the toolbox. I'll just keep that in there. So as you can see, that is a very, very deep drawer. You fit some great stuff in that one. And okay, oh yeah, got me a few electrical stuff, diagnostics machine, multimeter, a few things for soldering and some heat shrink, and then that's just drills, basically drill bits. And then last drawer, this is where I've got me I think bottom one were a timing belt, timing belt kit for when I rebuilt my engine. And that is it's for reseating the valve stem seals. And we've got a pressure tester, you know, for pistons, see whether your cylinders are holding correct pressure. Yeah, my camera cut off because memory was full, just had to delete a load of stuff. So as you can see, it's definitely a bit of a beast. It's looks a lot bigger than what I were expecting, to be honest with you. And but yeah, that's pretty much everything what I've got in it at the minute. I will be getting some shadow foam later on, and be organising them drawers out a lot better. So if that's something you want to watch, that'll be coming up in a month or so, I should imagine. I don't know if I'm going to keep everything where I've put it at the minute. I've just kind of thrown everything in just to see what it looks like, but I probably will do a bit better organising later on. But I just thought I'd show you what it's like. It's not bad. Now compared to Halfords one, it does feel slightly better quality. Like I say, it hasn't got the soft close drawers, which would have been nice, but on the Halfords one, they didn't seem to work right all the time, especially on top box. It were always messing up on top box for some reason. I don't know why. But other than that, it's a massive toolbox, and you can definitely fit a lot in it. So I hope you enjoyed that bit of a tour around. Don't forget, hit this subscribe button for some more tool reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.